G'day guys, Ninja here with Jace.
Hello.
The body!
We're back.
The body! Sorry, I haven't got the best voice. I do a big outlandish introduction, but I'm not going to because I don't have a voice.
That's a good one. Like and subscribe is the
Like
if
and
you're new to our
subscribe
channel.
to
Yeah.
some of our courses. I can talk in the courses, I assure you, but right now I'm not the best at it. So I'm going to get...
What are we learning today, Ninj?
We've got, my anatomy colouring book. I just coloured in the different hamstring muscles here.
Yep.
So...
What have you got for us, Ninj?
The bicep firm, the C is the pink one. That's normally the one that people strain. You can see it joins onto the bone here, so it's got two heads. So it joins up here, C, up here, and then down along the bone here. So a lot of people have strains through here.
On that deep attachment.
Yeah, and Jace has got sort of right through, so it might be a bit of the A as well, which is semi-tendinosis.
Membranosis, Ninj.
Membranosis.
He's getting there. He's doing well,
and
mate.
semi-tendinosis, yeah. So, but we're going to see what we can find. But it's always good to have a look at the anatomy book and
That's it.
Get your skeleton
All right,
out.
well, we'll
de-robe
and get into the treatment, won't we, Ninj?
Yeah, man.
So left one, just to remind you.
Yeah. I'll put a little towel on you.
Thank you.
For your modesty. Left.
Left, yeah.
Left your life in New Orleans. You know
Make
that
sure all the stuff's out of the way. Oh.
Jump.
Big wedgie.
So when are we going to do the clippers on your legs again, Jace?
I don't know, Ninj. Maybe
Special occasions.
Well, I'm heading away in the end of next week.
Oh, you
Heading
going
over to Europe? Should I clip all the legs for that?
I reckon, man.
Work on a bit of a tan for the European sun.
Yep. Anybody of our fans over in Europe, if you see Jace,
Yeah, if you're down in Croatia, you might bump into me.
Yeah.
For down there for a week, and then in Prague for a week. So
say hello.
Say hello, yeah.
Get his autograph.
No, maybe don't do that.
Get a photo.
Probably don't have the best autograph going around, but
get a photo.
You reckon just set up a table and then just start signing. Take over a few calendar copies and start signing them, you reckon?
I reckon. Sign a few calendars, get some photos.
Real celebrity tour.
I reckon that'd be great. People, what do they call you? The
Aussie, dolphin.
The Aussie dolphin, the Aussie porpoise.
Yeah. I think that's more the American viewers that call me the dolphin. But I'm not sure if we've got too many European followers.
Yeah.
Maybe they're staying silent.
Yep.
Not commenting as much, but...
Well, if you haven't commented before, this is your chance right now. Comment. Tell us what you think of our channel and this video in particular. So what I'm doing, I'm going to try and locate exactly where Jace is feeling a bit sore. So I'm trying to get right into that.
Definitely up there.
That sit bone, so that's a good start.
That's a good start.
The origin is the origin, we say. Origin of your pain is the origin of the tendon where it joins onto the bone. This is in most occasions, not always, but generally it is. So we need to start there. And I'm really trying to pin that and get in nice and deep and get into where it's going to make a difference for Jace. So... If it's in deep, you got to go in deep in order to make things change. So staying on the surface is not going to have that kind of same reprogramming effect.
You're not going to be able to get that attachment onto the bone, are you, Ninj, if you just do a little flush rub on top?
Yeah. Dance with your sister.
What's that one for the viewers that might not know?
There's nothing in it.
Nothing in it.
Nah.
You're not doing anything.
Nah. Wasting your time. You got to get out there and dance with someone else.
Got to get the elbow in and get some work done.
Correct. So I'm just trying to really pin in. And we didn't really highlight it, but you got your adductor magnus in this region as well. Aaron often calls it the fourth hamstring. So I could be pushing through into that as well. So we're really trying to chase where it is solid, where it is painful for Jace, and tune in to hit the intel that Jace can provide me. where does it feel therapeutic? How's this feeling now? It was quite intense.
It's calmed down there now. Yeah, I reckon if you go a bit more medial, and then
this way?
and then start tracking down from there. I reckon if you start gouging down, you'll hit a
Now?
good line.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, yeah, we're never too proud and just think that we know. Assume, make an ass out of me, make an ass out of you. Assume. You can ask where they can sense things are stuck, because they live in the body, so they're the best one to know. You can always tell when you're getting good body work. If they're going nice and slow, you can kind of sense where things are coming up, where they're blocked. And there's like a language. You just know. You know what it means. You know if it's good for you. You know if it's traumatising you and damaging you more. And we want to be right on that edge, so you get the ultimate treatment done. Most potential is on that border where you can kind of heal the most, because you're clearing it at its most thorough and deepest level. So that's what we want. Hitting into some good stuff there.
Yeah, you're starting to come up to it.
Coming up to it.
Oh, how do you find where that line is, Ninja? If I'm someone that's a bit worried about that it might be a bit painful and tender when you're treating me, how do you go about managing that line for different people that might have lesser pain thresholds or high pain thresholds?
A lot of it is like your intensity, like with your broad and sharpness.
Yep.
If you're trying to really be broader and pinning it, it's not as painful. But the most important thing is the pace.
Yeah.
When you're slow like this, it's so much more bearable, because you're not pushing beyond people's boundaries. You're not overstepping the mark. You can get permission, consent, and that's with that comes trust. And when you got trust, people will allow you to go deep with them. So that's the main stuff we kind of teach in our courses, is how to gain that trust, how to go deep with people, how to be the most effective, how to get the most potential out of your treatments, so they can heal. So, and that's what it's all about. To heal is to make whole. So we've got to kind of crack you open in order to get to the stuff that's stuck in there, and be able to clean it out, organise it differently, let it heal itself. Like if you never crack it open, it just stays in there and kind of accumulates more and more debris in a way, or festers more. So we need to break that pain cycle, that cycle of being stuck. And once you can break that cycle, then fresh blood can get in there, fresh resources can get in, but the trapped stuff that's stuck and it's dead inside, dead cells and things like that, calcifications, they can all start to get cleared out. So
that's a good spot, Inch.
Got ya?
Yeah. Oh, you're right in the middle of it now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's probably where that stuff is on bone level.
Oh, she's good.
Yeah, we might be on that shorter head of the bicep femur here, eh?
Yeah.
Potentially.
Yeah.
It goes out.
It's sort of where those hamstrings split, isn't it?
Yeah. So I'm trying to push right into that femur there. Jace is loving it.
It's good. It's a good pain.
Yeah. Maybe I'll just be quiet for a minute and we can listen to your tones.
It's real sounds of a treatment.
Yeah.
Although there's all different sorts of sounds that people make.
Yeah. Different ways of releasing, isn't it? It's sort of
some people are screamers and some are moaners, some are swearers, some are kickers,
punchers.
Kickers and punchers, yeah.
Like that. That's me.
Heavy breathers.
Yeah.
No non-breathers. There's a fair few of you guys out there, so maybe comment below if you've had a treatment. What's your go-to coping mechanism.
Yeah.
How do you get through it? Are you able to go in and just go with the treatment and allow it to happen, or do you sort of, voice what's going on? Oh, I think we're through that worst
main
of it
gut?
there, yeah.
So what I might do, I might come out, and I'm going to come up.
Go up?
Through here.
All right.
Go a line so I can kind of hit into where I was.
Yep.
So it's not going to be this outside of that bicep. I'm going to kind of try and come inside that line there and come up through to there.
Okay.
That's the goal.
Sounds exciting.
So I've got to not cook it at the start. Just give him a chance to receive it. Most important bit is that initial contact, any part of the body. Don't get a second chance for a first impression. Same with your connection.
Got to make it count.
Yeah, you fuck it up, you can get them offside, and that level of trust is never there again because they think that you might hurt them, do something that they haven't given consent. So you don't want that.
That's the last thing you want.
Yep. Just angling in there so I can kind of pin it out a little bit, but then really strip up through the guts, as Jason kind of did at the start. He felt like his hamstring was really tight through the guts of it. But when we kind of went in there, we kind of found it was probably more that bicep fem, and but kind of up in the guts in the initial bit, but then fades out to the lateral side.
Oh.
How's that, man?
It's not too bad, actually. We haven't hit the worst of it yet.
Just got to keep on going up.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like you're starting to get to maybe the bottom side of it. Oh. I reckon if you even potentially roll inward a bit more as well.
This way?
Yeah, that way. Yep. Oh, shit.
Yeah. Thanks for the intel, bro.
Oh, maybe I shouldn't have said it.
No worry, you can get me back.
Oh.
I want you to kick a few goals, mate.
I'm trying.
Just go for a wander.
Yeah.
Unsolicited. Just leave your man.
Yeah. It's all right. If I kick one the other way, it evens out, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's right. Keep on going. A little bit more.
Yeah. Nah, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be there.
Yeah. So we've nearly connected it up now. So what we've kind of done, we've tried to take the tension away from the attachment point. So that big attachment up higher, and then the smaller one in the hamstring tendon down lower. So we're trying to take that attention and that tension out, stress out, that where it's been all loaded up, and flush it into the guts, into the belly of the muscle, where it can all be kind of taken care of like that. So I reckon we've done a pretty good job.
Pretty good job. Oh.
Yeah. So if you're a person out there that's suffering hamstring stuff, imagine if you had that treatment that we just did now. You'd be well on your way, I reckon.
You'd be feeling good.
Teardrops to glory.
$1 million, wouldn't you, Nick?
Teardrops to glory, we say. We love it. Taking people that are broken and putting them back together, get them to heal.
That's it. Yeah, done. Thanks, guys.